Unboxing Veymax Cejour. Cejour is a new portable electric skateboard from Veymax. Let's unpack the outer packaging. Behold, this is the new Cejour. These are the two matching tail lights with 6 lighting modes. The overall color tone of Cejour is a lively contrasting color system of black and orange. There is an opening in the deck of the skateboard for carrying. The wheels are made of 90 mm per material. Hardness is 8/3. More friction resistant and more stable when cornering. Available with replacement 105 mm jelly wheels. 7.5-inch die-cast bridge, made of high-strength aluminum alloy. Install anti-collision pads on both ends of the skateboard. Cejour has a range of up to 21 kilometers on a single charge. Cejour version can reach up to 28 kilometers. A silicone sealing ring is used under the battery box, which can be more effective in waterproofing. ESC is electrifying. Smooth acceleration and braking for speed modes, customization, efficient energy management, advanced safety. Thanks for watching.